Welcome. In this session, we shall learn 5 Luo words. The first word is abach. Abach. Abach means paralysis on one side or something that is undeveloped on one side, like a dicotyledonous plant that is fully developed on one but very weak on the other. Abach. Abach. Our second word is abaja. Abaja. Abaja is the blade of a large spear, as you can see on the screen. Abaja. Abaja. The third word is abaja, which is an adverb, and this is watery food that has no flavor. When food has been diluted to the point that you cannot taste any of the nutritious contents, you say abaja. That food is abaja. Abaja. The fourth word is abala. Abbala. The action or process of causing so much damage to something that it no longer exists or cannot be repaired. Or in a system when you undermine the power and authority of an established institution. Abbala. Abbala. And the last word of the day is abam. Abam. Sideways, or sometimes we call it abach. So when you tie like a rope, when you tie it sideways, then we say it is abam. Abam. That's an adverb. Abam. Thank you, and let's look for other words tomorrow.